I started up my business as a female decorator 16 years ago when there was very few females out there doing my line of work. So to overcome those barriers, it is a huge achievement. The Mirka system fits into my van fantastically. It's lightweight, it's easy to get in and out all the time. My favourite machine has got to be the Leros. Because it's time saving. I've not got to keep attaching different smaller products. I haven't got to keep going up and down a ladder. You can use it for the wall, the ceilings, everywhere so easily, effortlessly. It just flows on the wall and it doesn't sort of drag or hang or butt or make any sort of indentations onto the wall as you're prepping it. It's a fantastic bit of kit. It's changed my working day tremendously because it's not only great for myself, it's also great for my customers because there is no dust going into our lungs. Mirka makes me feel as if my job is a lot less taxing than what it used to be. I wanted not to be like a snowman at the end of every working day. The Mirka dustless system saves me a heck of a lot of time. Because it's dustless, I haven't got to clean up after myself. I would struggle quite a bit if my tools were very uncomfortable because you can't flow with your job. It will hinder you on time. It will take a huge amount of effort out of yourself. The Leros for me is very comfortable because of its weight, its size. I've used other similar products which are all heavy, bulky, and you just can't use it on a little frame like myself. What exceeded my expectations was how dustless it actually is. My customers that have seen me working and using it can't believe the fact that you could put your hand on a surface after you've been in the room with it and there's literally nothing. I stay with Mirka not only for the fantastic products, but also the after sales and the people behind Mirka. What I find is that if you've got a problem, no matter what problem, they're always there at the end of either a Twitter or an email, and they will get back to you as soon as possible and help you out with any issues that you may think you have. A perfect finish for me is a seamless finish. Prep is key in my game. When you see a client actually giving you a hug or saying, wow, it looks fantastic, Sarah, thank you ever so much, then that makes your day. That makes your job worthwhile.